Roundabout, take the third exit. Warning, driving restriction ahead. Consider if you can continue.
Ooh. I can't believe this shit, man. Yeah, it's not there.
Driving restriction ahead.
Yeah.
Consider if
Shit, maybe by luck. Oh, lucky boy. Lucky boy. I was fucking lucky that was. Shit. Whew, that's a good day. That is a good day today. That is a fucking good day. Let's go. Oh, my heart is pounding. Yeah, it's really pounding. Ah, shit. Might do. Need to sell a bed, need to have a quick sick.
roundabout, take the third
Oh.
exit.
What is it, one guys here? Have a kick smoky.